When it comes to mid-size pickups, there's one name synonymous with setting the bar year after year: the Toyota Tacoma. From decades of industry awards to the drivers who have made Tacoma America's #1 selling mid-size pickup for 17 years running, it's clear that Tacoma's combination of on- and off-road capability, matched with Toyota's quality, durability, and reliability, puts it at the head of the pack. For 2023, Tacoma offers something for nearly every driver, whether it's the venerable SR, the ever-popular SR5, the decked-out Limited, or the Toyota Racing Development tuned grades, including the intense off-road capability of the TRD Pro. And all of these can be had with different cab sizes, bed lengths, and drivetrains, making it almost impossible not to find a Tacoma that fits. Tacoma looks great wherever it goes, with an aggressive front end and muscular profile, as well as available LED headlights for a bright and clear view of the path ahead. A variety of stylish wheel designs are available to help Tacoma stand out from the crowd, while its varied color palette makes a bold statement, especially the new Solar Octane offered exclusively on TRD Pro. This TRD Pro brings its own exterior character with its heritage-inspired front grille, hood scoop with graphic, Rigid Industries LED fog lights, and TRD Pro stamped into the bed. The Trail Special Edition also returns for 2023. Built on the SR5 grade, it has a 1.1-inch front lift and a half-inch rear lift, heritage-inspired front grille with bronze-colored Toyota lettering, 16-inch bronze-colored alloy wheels, bronze-colored trail badge, and more. Meanwhile, Tacoma's Nightshade Special Edition package gives the limited grade 18-inch dark smoke wheels and includes a carbon-style black front grille, black leather-trimmed seats, and other black exterior accents and badging throughout. Finally, 2023 brings two new packages that enhance Tacoma's style on select SR5 models: SX and Chrome. The SX package includes black over fenders for a rugged stance, black 16-inch wheels, black outer mirrors, black badging, and a unique bed graphic. Meanwhile, the Chrome package adds a dash of sophistication anchored by 18-inch chrome-finished alloy wheels, chrome-finished outer door handles, exhaust tip, and tailgate nameplate insert. Inside, a leather-wrapped shift knob completes the look. Tacoma once again offers a choice between a standard 2.7-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 159 horsepower, or an available 3.5-liter V6 that serves up 278 horsepower and 265 pound-feet of torque. Both engines are paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, while the V6 can also be teamed with a 6-speed manual transmission on select models. All Tacoma grades can be equipped with part-time four-wheel drive to maximize traction in challenging environments. And when it comes to utility, Tacoma excels with up to a 1,685-pound payload capacity, while the tow package helps Tacoma deliver a towing capacity up to 6,800 pounds and comes standard on all V6 models. Tacoma's powertrains bring the power on the road, but there's plenty of ground clearance and great approach and departure angles to excel in tricky off-road trails too. This capability is especially obvious in the TRD grades. TRD Off-Road offers a tuned suspension with Bilstein shocks to help soak up big bumps, while the TRD Pro grade takes Tacoma's off-road ability to another level. This Tacoma is born to conquer the unknown, coming standard with TRD accessories like a TRD Pro front skid plate, as well as TRD-tuned Fox shocks with a 1.5-inch lift front and half-inch lift at the rear, and TRD-engineered machine-forged upper control arms. Furthermore, multi-terrain monitor is available on select Tacoma models, expanding on Panoramic View Monitor's 360-degree view with additional features like underview, slippage recognition for each wheel, tilt meter with image leveling and tire guidelines. Finally, available off-road traction management systems like multi-terrain select and crawl control make Tacoma an ideal driving companion. On the inside, Tacoma is even more advanced, with impressive comfort features and a convenient arrangement for controls and gauges. The spacious interior offers up room for 5, with soft-touch materials and available leather-trimmed heated front seats. All V6 grades aside from SR include a standard 10-way power-adjustable driver's seat. All automatic transmission V6 models have standard dual-zone automatic climate control to set the perfect temperature for 2, while an available power moonroof lets the open sky in. There's a standard integrated backup camera display for extra visibility. And for extra utility, there's a standard USB media port and 2 USB charge ports. There's also a list of available convenience features like Qi-compatible wireless smartphone charging, smart key system on both driver and front passenger doors, blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, and a panoramic view monitor for a 360-degree view outside. And for maximum activity-focused convenience, the Trail Special Edition includes lockable bed storage with driver's side insulation to double as a cooler. Tacoma's crisp 7 or 8-inch touchscreen display serves up Toyota's audio multimedia, which includes standard compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to subscription-based services like Apple Music, as well as Maps, Messages, and other favorite apps from the iPhone. In addition, Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices, while Amazon Alexa connectivity keeps Amazon's digital assistant just a question away. Plus, there's a standard 3-month SiriusXM Platinum Plan trial subscription that includes over 165 channels available in cabin, and even more on the SXM mobile app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. And to make the most of all this, an available 6-speaker JBL audio system brings along a subwoofer and amplifier for both deeper bass and greater sound clarity. Of course, being a Toyota, Tacoma comes with trials to connected services, including standard trials to Safety Connect and Wi-Fi Connect, as well as available Remote Connect and Service Connect. Tacoma, of course, features Toyota hallmarks like reliability and technology, and chief among these is safety. Toyota Safety Sense P Active Safety Suite is standard across the lineup, with advanced features like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert, automatic high beams, and dynamic radar cruise control. Tacoma also includes Toyota's signature Star safety system, as well as 8 airbags throughout its cabin.
so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts.